Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Aria.
And I am Logan. Hello, everyone. How are you today?
I am very happy, Logan. Today is a special day. Today, we are talking about a very important topic.
That is right, Aria. Today we are talking about family.
Family. This is a great topic. Everyone has a family.
Yes, we will use simple words. We will speak slowly. We want you to listen and practice with us.
Are you ready, Logan?
I am ready, Aria. Let's start.
First, let's learn the most important words. The first word is mother.
Mother. Mother. Mother.
Listen to the sound. Mother. My mother is kind.
Mother is formal. Sometimes we say mom.
Yes, mom is short. It is friendly. I love my mom.
Now let's look at the next word, father.
Father. Father. Father.
Listen to the sound. Father. My father is tall.
Just like mom, we have a short word for father. We say dad.
Dad. D-A-D. That is very simple. I love my dad.
So we have mother and father, or mom and dad. Together, they are parents.
Parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents.
I love my parents. Logan, do you love your parents?
Yes, Aria, I love my parents very much.
Okay, listeners, let's practice. Repeat after me. This is my mother.
Good. Now repeat this. This is my father.
Very good job. Now, let's make the family bigger.
Yes, let's talk about brothers and sisters.
The word is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother.
A brother is a boy.
And the other word is sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister.
A sister is a girl.
Logan, I have a question for you. Do you have a brother?
Yes, Aria, I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Oh, nice. Is Tom big or small?
Tom is big. He is my big brother.
Okay, Logan has a brother. Logan, do you have a sister?
No, I do not have a sister. I only have a brother. What about you, Aria?
I have a big family. I have 2 sisters.
2 sisters. Wow. Do you have a brother?
No, I do not have a brother. Just 2 sisters.
Let's practice asking that question. It is a very good question for conversation.
The question is, do you have a brother?
Let's say it slowly. Do you have a brother?
Listeners, listen and repeat. Do you have a brother?
Now ask about a sister. Do you have a sister?
Great. Now let's answer the question. If yes, you say, yes, I do.
If no, you say, no, I don't.
Let's try it. Listeners, I will ask you. You answer. Ready? Do you have a sister?
Good job. Now I will ask you. Do you have a brother?
Excellent. You are doing very well. Logan, let's talk about grandparents.
Good idea. Grandparents are the parents of your parents.
First, we have grandfather.
Grandfather. It is a long word. Grandfather. Grandfather.
We often say grandpa. It is easier. Grandpa.
And we have grandmother.
Grandmother. We often say grandma.
Grandma. Grandma. Grandma.
My grandpa is old, but he is very funny.
My grandma is very nice. She cooks good food.
Do you see your grandparents often, Aria? Yes, I see them on Sunday. We eat dinner together.
That is lovely. Family time is important.
Yes, it is. Now, let's talk about big families and small families.
A big family has many people, many brothers, many sisters.
A small family has few people, maybe just you and your parents.
Aria, is your family big or small?
I think my family is medium. I have 2 sisters, a mom, and a dad. There are 5 people.
That is a nice size. My family is small. Just me, my brother, my mom, and my dad. 4 people.
Listeners, think about your family. Is it big? Is it small?
Let's learn the sentence, I have a big family.
Repeat after me. I have a big family.
Now the other one, I have a small family.
Very good.
Aria, we should talk about names. When we meet people, we talk about family names.
Yes, we say, what is his name or what is her name?
If it is a man or boy, we say his name.
If it is a woman or girl, we say her name.
My brother, his name is Tom.
My sister, her name is Sarah.
Let's practice this. It is a little difficult.
Repeat after me. His name is Tom.
Repeat after me. Her name is Sarah.
Good. Remember, his for boys, her for girls.
Aria, sometimes we have animals in our family.
Oh, yes, pets. Do you have a pet, Logan?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
A dog. Dogs are great. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
So Max and Luna are family too?
Yes, I love my cat like a sister.
That is funny, Aria. But yes, pets are family.
Let's review the words for pets. Dog. D-O-G.
Cat. C-A-T.
Let's ask the listeners. Do you have a cat?
Do you have a dog?
Okay, we have learned many words today.
Yes. Let's look at some describing words. Adjectives.
We want to describe our family. We can say they are nice.
Nice. N-I-C-E. My mother is nice.
We can say they are funny.
Funny. F-U-N-N-Y. My brother is funny. He makes me laugh.
We can say they are happy.
Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. My family is happy.
And one more. Kind.
Kind. K-I-N-D. It means they are very good people. They help others.
My grandma is very kind.
Now, let's try a full conversation. I will be me. Aria will be Aria. Listen to us.
Okay, let's do a role play.
Hi, Aria. Tell me about your family.
Hi, Logan. Well, I have a big family. I have 2 sisters.
Wow, what are their names?
Their names are Sarah and Emily.
Are they nice?
Yes, they are very nice and funny. Do you have any sisters?
No, I do not have sisters. I have one brother.
What is his name?
His name is Tom.
Is he nice?
Yes, he is kind. We are a happy family.
That was a good conversation, Logan.
Yes, it used all our new words.
Listeners, did you understand? It is okay to listen again.
Repetition is good. Listen many times.
Now I want to do a practice quiz with our listeners.
Ooh, a quiz. I love quizzes. How does it work?
I will say a sentence in English, but I will leave a word out. You must say the missing word.
Okay, let's try.
Number 1. My father and my mother are my parents.
Did you say parents? Good. Number 2.
I have a sister. She is a girl. I have a brother. He is a boy.
Did you say brother? Great. Number 3.
My father's father is my grandfather.
Or grandpa. Good job.
Number 4. I have a dog. He is my pet.
Excellent work, everyone.
Now let's talk about one last thing. Love.
Love. L-O-V-E. This is the most important word for family.
We say, I love my family.
It is a strong sentence. I love my family.
Listeners, say it loud. I love my family.
It feels good to say that.
Yes, it does. Okay, Logan, we are near the end of the podcast.
Time goes fast when we are having fun.
Let's do a final review. We will list all the words we learned today.
I will say the word, you repeat it. Ready?
Aria, mother, mom, father, dad. Parents: brother, sister, grandmother, grandma, grandfather, grandpa.
Pet, dog, cat.
And the describing words: big, small, nice, funny, kind.
Perfect. You have a lot of new vocabulary now. Try to use these words today. Look at your mother and say, "You are nice."
Look at your brother and say, "You are funny."
Or look at your dog and say, "You are a good boy."
Practicing every day is the key.
Yes, English is easy if you practice a little bit every day.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines.
We are so happy you're here.
In the next episode, we will talk about food.
Yummy! I love food. I can't wait.
It will be fun. Goodbye for now, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time. Have a great day with your family.
Bye-bye.